Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So Musa has leaked screenshots of him talking to gogo Maweni, hey you best friend, regarding Maweni's baby daddy SK Khoza's HIV status. You guys, in the conversation, the two are talking about SK Khoza being HIV positive, you guys, and as a matter of fact, Maweni confirmed that SK Khoza is indeed HIV positive. So Gogo Maweni responds to Mr. Khawula by revealing that SK Khoza's girlfriend who lives overseas has dumped the actor after she found out that he has the virus. Because she further went on to tell Mr. Khawula that he has been let go from a TV show after they had tested him and found out that he is positive, you guys. So this is the conversation between the two, the WhatsApp conversation, which reads as follows. Kagama, when he wrote, he tested for HIV for his upcoming role and results were positive for HIV. That's why he's now a Kaya who wants to work with Mr. Koff, who is HIV. Now that you have it, guys, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you in the next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.